Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I got this 2015 Jeep Trailhawk, and we are going to do the air filter replacement. I just bought this, so I'm going through it. Did the oil change, cabin air filter, see if there's any surprises, and we're going to check the air filter just to see how dirty it really is. So we got this hose I'm going to remove, right? So it's got a white clip. You want to push that white clip in, and that releases it. And then I just very carefully got it out of the way, and then we can go ahead and do the bolts. So it's looking like an 8 mil. And we're gonna loosen them all off. Need a super long extension. Oh, they do come out too. Maybe the key is not to get them out fully. It's kind of dark in there to see where the other one is, which is in this front corner. I don't know if I loosen them up enough to lift them off. Perfect. Let's get this out of there. But it looks pretty clean still. It's not too bad. I've seen worse. Got the new filter. Just gonna slide it in place. Slide it back down. Go ahead. Start tightening all our bolts back up. There you have it. You don't need to use an 8mm. You can use a flathead screwdriver too. Air filter is changed. Good to go. All basic maintenance is done. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.